Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you 3-wire control, terminal wiring and operation in Holip HLP-A100 Series inverter. Okay, I'll show you. First I show you wiring diagram. 3-wire for 3-wire control, common, forward, reverse and DI1, digital input 1. There are 3 push button switch, 1, 2, 3, one for forward, another one for reverse and one for stop. Okay, as per the drawing I have connect the switch in terminal, inverter terminal. This is stop switch, one is reverse and another one is forward. Okay, 3 switch, common, black wire with common, stop switch with DI1, digital input 1. Go to parameter for 3-wire control operation. Okay, let's go to parameter. To go parameter, press menu switch. I'll go C0 5 10, here 3 5, shift switch 10, C0 5 10, terminal for forward. Here I will set 9, less start. This is considering as forward switch. Okay, to show value, press this switch. Here set 8, need to set 9. Okay, scroll the variable knob 9 to set the value, press the knob, value set. And for reverse, C0 5.11 to show value, press here 10. Here need to set 37 less reversing. Okay, to increase the value, move the variable knob. Here I will set 37 to save the value, press this switch, value save. C0 512 DI1 terminal DI1. Here I will set 46 for stop. Okay, now here 0, no operation. Okay, need to set 46 to save the value, press variable knob. Okay, parameter is set. To exit, menu switch. Okay, now I show you operation forward. This is forward switch. Okay, forward switching, promote, auto mode. Now the switch is working. Motor is running, forward rotation. This is stop switch, motor is stop, motor is stop. Okay, now I show you reverse running. This is reverse, motor is running, reverse rotation, stop, motor is stop. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.